Hey there, welcome to Crooked Recipes, the best AI-generated recipe blog on the internet. Today, we're whipping up a tasty and healthy dish that's perfect for a family dinner or a summer cookout: lemon and herb grilled chicken with quinoa salad. This dish is the perfect combination of juicy and flavorful grilled chicken and a nutritious quinoa salad that will have you feeling like a healthy foodie in no time. Now, let's make sure you have all the right tools in the kitchen before we get started. You'll need a large resealable plastic bag, a small bowl, a medium saucepan, a large bowl, a grill, and a food thermometer. Now, let's gather all the ingredients we'll need for this dish. We'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For the quinoa salad, we'll need 1½ cups of quinoa, 3 cups of water, 1/2 cup of sliced cherry tomatoes, 1/2 cup of chopped cucumber, 1/4 cup of chopped red onion, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. With all our ingredients gathered, let's get started. We'll start by making the marinade for the chicken. In a small bowl, mix together the olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, basil, thyme, salt, and pepper. Then, place the chicken breasts in a large resealable plastic bag and pour the marinade over the chicken. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours. While the chicken is marinating, we'll make the quinoa salad. In a medium saucepan, bring the water to a boil. Add the quinoa and reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for 18 to 20 minutes or until the quinoa is tender and the water has been absorbed. While the quinoa is cooking, let's chop up all the veggies. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half, slice the cucumber, dice the red onion, and chop the fresh parsley. Once the quinoa is done, transfer it to a large bowl. Add the vegetables, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until everything is evenly distributed. And just like that, our quinoa salad is ready. Now, it's time to fire up the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Remove the chicken from the marinade and discard the marinade. Place the chicken on the grill and cook for 6 to 8 minutes per side or until the chicken is fully cooked and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, it's time to serve. Plate the juicy and flavorful lemon and herb grilled chicken alongside the fresh and crunchy quinoa salad. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy meal that's sure to please. If you're feeling adventurous, try swapping the chicken with grilled vegetables like zucchini, eggplant, bell peppers, or mushrooms for a vegetarian option. Or, for a sweeter taste, add a tablespoon of honey to the marinade. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like, subscribe to channel, and leave a comment below. And make sure to visit our blog for more amazing AI-generated recipes.